Wi-Fi password on PC. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you how to find your Wi-Fi password on your computer or laptop. This process works on Windows 10 or 11. Like these types of videos on the channel? There are other related videos too. Subscribe and leave a like. I'm always making videos to help you out. Alright, let's get started. On your computer, go to the search bar and type Control Panel in your language. Even in English, it showed up in my Windows language. Just click Open. You'll see options. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Click it. Here I have two connections, wired and Wi-Fi. So click on a Wi-Fi that I'm connected to. Then click on Wireless Connection Properties. Now click on Security at the top. Here you'll see Network Security Key. This is where your Wi-Fi password is. To see it, click Show Characters and it'll appear. Got it, everyone. Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care. God bless. Thanks.